So on internal compliance, what are the key factors and elements that we need to be considered as we move through the organization?
Okay, so internal compliance is essentially compliance with policies, standards, procedures, or basically your written management system. Mm-hmm. This could be, for instance, HSE compliance, it could be HR, it could be operations compliance. There are many things kind of wrapped up in this written management system. You also have companies that are, say, ISO 14001, 9001, OSAS 18001 compliant. They also have things that they have to keep up with, and I kind of bundle that ISO types of compliance into the internal compliance category.